Good morning, my dear friends. I'm going to start out by telling y'all a story that happened years ago. And I had made monkey bread for my children for years, or if I was having a get together, and I thought, I want something stronger than a monkey. I would like a bread that would kick the monkey's hiney. So I said, how about gorilla bread? And I am going to add a chunk of cream cheese in each of those biscuits. Now that ain't monkey bread, y'all. That's gorilla bread. It's that strong gorilla glue. So I'm going to share that recipe with y'all today. And monkey bread as we know it, you can put so many twists and turns on it. Absolutely. You can bring in flavors. You can bring in butterscotch. You can bring in caramel. You can bring in, oh gosh, what other flavors? So many.
I really had monkey bread.
What?
I'm sure I have had it, but I just don't really remember.
What? Well, you fix to have some today.
Ours is gorilla.
Ours is gorilla bread. All right, now I'm going to start out, y'all, by melting a stick of butter in with a cup of brown sugar.
I never turned on the stove.
You never turned on the stove?
No.
Good, you don't usually. I usually turn on the stove. Thank you. I ain't totally helpless. Maybe not far off. All right, so let me get a spoon. So I took this in to the restaurant and I tested it on my work family, and they all liked it a lot. All right, now I've just combined sugar and cinnamon. So this is nice and melted. I'm going to cut that off. Now I sprayed this pan. I can't remember if it required spraying or not, but I did. So it's been a long time since I've made this, so let me see. In a saucepan, melt the butter and brown sugar over low heat, stirring well, cut the cream cheese, and I've already done that into equal pieces. Okay, so I'm going to come over here and just...
Doesn't the cinnamon sugar go on it?
Well, let me just see. I can't... Like I said, it's been years. All right, let me see. And you can kind of do this any way you want to, so there's no telling what I did it that day. I will know this. Place a biscuit and sprinkle each. Yes, so we do that.
And that's why I gave you the shaker.
You know what? Yeah. We use a cinnamon sugar mixture, or I do for when my grandchildren are over and they love Guinea cinnamon toast. So I'll use this. So that's perfect. Thanks, Teresa. You keep me straight now. Okay?
I am. Do you want me to come over there and help you do those?
Oh, I would love that.
I just washed my hands, so we're perfect.
Good, I did too. So all you want to do is make sure that you seal those up so that the cream cheese won't run out. You want to capture that cream cheese in this ball of dough. All right, I am layering some nuts on the bottom of our butt, and we've got our cream cheese biscuits.
And there were 20 biscuits, Paul.
Yes,
so 10 goes on one layer and then 10.
Right.
Okay.
It's going to be a 2-layer. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now I'm going to sprinkle it with the cinnamon sugar.
Yum.
Oh my gosh, I can't hardly wait.
Now the babies still don't eat nuts, right?
Sometimes they'll eat nuts, sometimes they won't.
Sometimes you feel like
a nut and sometimes you don't. All right, now I'm going to pour half of our brown sugar butter. And I'm going to have to incorporate it though again. It's kind of separated. I'm mesmerized and hypnotized. It's like caramel. Okay. Now what do? I can't
Start
remember.
over again.
Yeah, I'm gonna just drop this extra cream cheese around in here. Nestle it in. Another thin layer of nuts. And the rest of the biscuits. And I usually use like Grand's biscuits. You know, the big ones. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yep.
More cinnamon sugar.
Yes.
You just can't go wrong with that. Bread, cinnamon, sugar, nuts, and butter.
I'm telling you, my grandchildren have to have Guinea cinnamon toast. When Solomon comes back home. Guinea, I just want cinnamon toast. Let's see, the other day you just made white bread, right?
Yeah, I came across the recipe and I thought, I gotta find that bread machine. We packed it away when you moved.
You hadn't made bread since we lived at River.
Yeah, it's been over 3 years.
We have missed it. So that bread would make a fabulous like praline French toast casserole. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite sweet breakfast casseroles. That bread would be killer in it. Like I said, I'm just happy with plain old French toast with it. But y'all do. Can you tell them, Eddie, where to find that recipe?
It came with that bread machine.
Is it? I mean, they can find them online.
Yeah, there's a gazillion.
Machines were really a big hit for a while, weren't they? And I don't know if people are still using them now a lot.
Well, we made, when you were selling the bread machine, we made a pound cake in there, and that was so good. It was really...
Yes, we did. I thought that was grand.
It gave you that crunchy topping all the way around.
Yes. This is a powerful lot of nuts, y'all.
You like a lot of nuts.
I do. I'm a nut bucket. Okie dokie. The Grilla bread is going in the oven.
How's that?
Okay. 354. Gosh, I can't remember. Look at that. Let Eddie show them what it looks like, Teresa. Please. Okie doke. It's time to unveil that Gorilla bread. Now, after it comes out of the oven, you want to let it sit in the pan about 5 minutes, just cool down a little bit. So, drum roll.
Oh, I heard a drop.
I heard nuts. Y'all.
It's coming, it's coming.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. I can see it.
No, some of it did not come out. So aren't I glad that I sprayed it?
So you really need to spray it really good.
Yeah, that sugar.
Will caramelize.
Oh, yes. But not to worry.
We've always been able to put that something back
I'm
together.
telling you, there's very few things you can't fix. So not to worry, you better get up there.
We're just gonna pull it apart in 2 seconds anyway, so don't.
I know it. I know it. So I hope that y'all will make this bread. If you're a monkey bread lover, I hope that you'll try this one and be honest with me and tell me which one you like the best. Teresa, have a pool. Eddie, can you have a pool right now?
Ooh, it's good.
Okay. Oh, good. See? See that cream cheese, what I just bit into? So I hope y'all like it. Try it. Let me know. And remember, when you come into Paula Deen YouTube, hit subscribe, please, so we won't miss a trip with each other. Love and best dishes. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.